Welcome to Lightroom Classic, or just Lightroom. Today we're going to take a look at some of the new features that were added just the other day to Lightroom Classic, as well as mobile and Adobe Camera Raw. So the first one, we have this image here, and we are going to assume that she is not actually professionally retouched. The first thing we're going to do is switch on over to the develop module, and down here you will see a new slider called texture. Now, texture is going to remove texture if you slide this way and add texture if you slide to the right. So in this case, we are going to remove the texture from this woman's skin. And as I go over here to the left, this is removing the texture and smoothing the face of our subject. Now, I think this is something that was made to kind of compete with these camera apps where people are quickly and poorly blurring their skin to make themselves look younger. This is definitely not something that a professional photographer is going to use to do professional retouching. This is just a quick and easy kind of skin smoothing or just kind of removing texture feet. I think there's also some kind of fine art applications for it as well. But just in general, it's kind of a quick and easy thing. It's not something that a professional retoucher is going to do because it's actually removing the skin texture and people don't look realistic. Now, the problem with this is it is globally removing the texture everywhere in the whole face. So I don't think it's something that you're going to use too much globally. Where you will use it is in the adjustment brush. So we go down here to the adjustment brush, and now I'm going to go ahead and just reduce this texture a lot just so we can see it, and I'll increase my brush size. And then I can come in here, and it looks like we got some exposure on in here that we don't want. That looks better. So I can come in here and paint this into this face, and we can see instantly like that, it is definitely smoothing the skin of our subject. And that way we can keep the eyes and the lips sharp. So that is the new texture feature for decreasing texture. So the second feature is going to be to increase the texture. So I'm going to select this bird that we have here. I'm going to go out of the adjustment brush, and we're just going to go back to the original texture, and I'm going to slide the texture to the right. And as you can see, this is adding texture or adding some contrast, adding some sharpening. It's definitely increasing the detail within this image. Is it similar to clarity and sharpen and all this other stuff? Yes, but I think it's been optimized probably to work a little bit better in specific situations. So the second one is to kind of increase your detail, and you can see that happening as you slide that to the right. And just like before, if you wanted to do it in a specific location, you could come over here to the adjustment brush and paint that into your subject. Now, this is available in Lightroom Mobile and Camera Raw. And the other new feature inside of Lightroom Classic is going to be located inside the library module. So we're going to switch over to the library module, and I'm just going to shift click and select a few images. This would be for after you have imported your images to correct them in the library module. You would select everything that you'd want to correct. You would go up here to library and then go down here to what is called flat field correction. What this is going to do is I'm actually going to slide over a web page from Adobe so you can kind of see this, and I'll kind of explain it as well. We'll slide up here. It says, you can use the flat field correction to remove shading or lens cast, a typical optical artifact from your digital photos. Shading is a generic form of lens vignetting, where light fall off can be asymmetrical or have a color cast. Skip that part. Shading is most often seen with mirrorless camera systems, medium format digital backs, and on technical cameras with third-party non-retro focus lenses. Basically what this is you'll have an image, and we will go back here and we'll bring up an image. If you were looking at your image and it was just a play grade wall, what you would see is like this side is darker over in here or down in here. Lightroom's going to analyze it and fix that kind of vignetting to make it so it's an even exposure. That's all flat fill does. If you don't have that issue, you probably don't know about it. I know some of the camera manufacturers have put out software to help fix that as well, but that's what the flat fill does. It's not something I think most people are actually going to be using. So hopefully that's been helpful. You learned a little bit about Adobe Lightroom's new features here in May. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.